Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. In the previous videos, we have discussed every details about our automated trading strategy, which we have with three time frames right now, with 3 minutes time frame for scalpers and 15 minutes time frame for long time investment as well as for 5 minutes time frame. So totally three strategies we are providing right now with combo package. So in the previous videos I have discussed what are all the informations about the strategies totally we have discussed, and right now in this video I will be explaining you how to connect the TradingView strategy to NextLevelBot DMAT. NextLevelBot is an API bridge. So through NextLevelBot API bridge, we will be connecting your DMATs, whatever DMATs you are having, we will be connecting. So this process totally we are going to discuss, and how to fix the alert totally we are going to discuss in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end. Surely you can understand how the process is going on for automation. So if you are new to automation, surely you can see this video, and I will be explaining you about the 15 minutes time frame strategy. We have included take profit method. So half portion exit, like this the take profit method is working right now. So I will be explaining how the 15 minutes time frame strategy is going right now totally in this video. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So first of all, I will be opening the TradingView platform right now. So now to include our indicator, I am just clicking on indicators tab, and I have choose invite only script. So once you choose invite only script, we will be getting all our invite only script indicators. So these are all the indicators we have done for automation for Tradetron as well as NextLevelBot. So we have two indicators for every strategies. So 3 minutes means NextLevelBot as well as Tradetron platform. So right now I will be including our 15 minutes time frame strategy. This is Tradetron strategy, and this is NextLevelBot strategy. So now I have included with Banknifty index. So if you want to do the automation for options, you can do from index. So through TradingView platform, we are going to fix every syntax totally we have defaultly included in this strategy itself. Every syntax as per the DMATs we have connected. So right now currently we have connected with Alice Blue, Angel DMAT as well as for Fire's DMAT. So these are the three DMATs we have connected for our strategy. So syntax defaultly we have included. The procedures alone you should do before fixing the alert, and every day morning you should log in to the DMAT through NextLevelBot. This is what you need to do to execute our strategy continuously. So once you start executing our strategy continuously, surely you can achieve the points as per the previous historical market. So this is as per the previous historical market only we are going to implement the strategy. That is why you should watch the previous videos which we have explained how the strategy is working, and what are all the max loss of the strategy, and what are all the returns for the strategy, and how much lots is made for this strategy. So totally we have discussed in the previous videos about the returns of the strategy as well as accuracy of the strategy. So if you are a long-term investment trader, so if you want to make good returns from your investment, then surely you can go with the smaller lots with 15 minutes time frame strategy, and consistently you can trade with this strategy with the take profit method. So first of all, I will be opening the settings of this indicator. So right now I have opened the settings of this indicator. So the first settings is date range. So this is the date range from, and from which to which we are going to see the backtest. It is shown here, that is start date and end date, and the session is showing you for the intraday trading session. So this strategy will be starting from 9:45 candle to 3 o'clock candle. This is what the entry timing. If you want to see the exit, it is here. End session is 3:15 only is the exit of this strategy. So these are all the criteria for the backtesting period as well as the intraday trading session. So if you want to enable intraday, then the intraday will be session will be working. If you want to disable, the intraday session will not be working. And there is a lot size here. So as per Bank Nifty and Nifty, we have default given the quantity size, that is 25 for Bank Nifty and 50 for Nifty. So if you want to do automation on that time, you can just create 3 lots as a basic for take profit method, and if you want to give one lot, so it will be calculating for 25 quantity. So for if you want to do automation, no need to give 25 or 50 like this. You should not give. You can easily give 3 lots or 1 lot. So like this you can give. Basically, we have given default settings as 3 lot, and the target point is 120 point and the stop loss is just 110 point. So once you enable take profit method, the stop loss will be enabled. So this stop loss will be in points, 110 point, and the target is 120 point. This is final trailing, 0.1% is final trailing. So actually you can see how this strategy is running right now. So right now you just see here, I will be showing you with the big trend. So here you just see here. So right now whenever we point perfectly, 120 is our target here. So once the first target is met, from the stop loss the trailing will be happening to cost. We are going to take through 3 lots of bank nifty for options. So once we take 3 lots as a basic, this is minimum investment for this strategy, 3 lots of bank nifty options, you can have 20, you can have 30,000 for 1 lot of implementation extra, including the buffer. I am saying 30,000 is investment for 1 lot of bank nifty options. So right now we are going to do with 3 lots, so you can have 90,000 in your demat to implement this strategy. So right now you can see, first once the first target is met, the trailing will be came to cost. So there is the trail is perfectly came to the entry price. So once the candle is closing above this, it will be exited. So you can see here again, after the second target met, the trailing is came back to this point, and after this we have given us 0.1 percentage trailing. So the final lot, once after second target is met, it will be happening with 0.1 percentage as a trailing. So you can see from the entry, from the close of the candle, 0.1 percentage will be your trailing. So once the candle is closing above the point, it will be exited. So the final lot will be exited here only. So first target, it will be exiting at 120 as a target. Again after 120, extra 120 points has been gone, so the second target is met. Finally the trailing will be keep on trailing till the market end. So this is what 0.1 percentage will be helping you. So this is what the basic setup of this 15-minute strategy. So this is take profit method. So in take profit method, the stop loss will be working once after the candle is closed above and confirmed, then only the exit will be happening. So basically 110 means if the candle is closing above this point, then only the exit will be happening. And we are exiting how much lots we are going to exit in the first target and second target, we are going to give here. And right now in the default we have given the demat to be chosen. So right now we have connected Alice Blue, Angel, 5 paisa and Fires. But in 5 paisa the take profit method is not working with NextLevelBot, so that you can avoid 5 paisa. And normal method, if you are working without take profit method, you can just trial the target. In this criteria it will be working for 5 paisa. Okay, so right now I am just creating with the default take profit method. And the demat you should choose first of all. If you are working with Alice Blue, then you can choose for Alice Blue. Alice Blue is mostly working perfectly execution with the NextLevelBot, so you can also go with Alice Blue and connect NextLevelBot. For options, you need to enable this option method. You can also do for futures, NFO, and the symbol name. Right now the ticker is asking for symbol name here. So to choose the symbol name, you just open NextLevelBot platform. So once you open the NextLevelBot platform, this is the home page. So in the home page itself, you will be having an option called symbol. So once you click on the symbols, so for every other demats, they have given for an option to choose the symbol name. In Angel Broking, 5 paisa and Fires. If you are a Alice Blue trader, you should click on symbols name, global symbol. Okay. So once you click on global symbol, now we want to choose the strike price as per the weekly expiry. So if you are trading with the weekly expiry, you can choose here. If you want to choose next week expiry also, you can choose here. So I am just creating for this week expiry. So this is what February month February month, the expiry date, first expiry is 02. So this is what the syntax. So you should just create the alert with this. Okay, so I am just copying capital letter Bank Nifty 23. So 23 is here. So it's February 2, and 02 will be the symbol name for first week expiry. So I am just keeping here for first week expiry. So once you give in the ticker, then only the strike price will be taken as per your symbol name. So now I have created the symbol name here. Next you are going to create a near is just for identifying what is the strike price for example in Bank Nifty 43,365. If the market is moving on, we are going to round off to 100 points because the strike price of the Bank Nifty is 100 points only, so that the near rounding strike price will be 100 here for Bank Nifty. Okay, if you are a Nifty user, you will be for 50 because strike price of the Nifty can be for 16,000, 50, 16,100. So like this 50 points can be there. So for this only the near is option used. So I am just keeping 100. And if you want to use our Bank Nifty 15 minutes to get the good performance, you can trade with 200 points ITM for call option. So minus 200 means minus from the entry point, minus 200 is your strike price for call option. Okay, so by entry it will be automatically taking call option minus 200 points ITM, and for put option plus 200 ITM. So if you want to trade, basically this setup you can do, and once everything is perfect, product name is normal, and buy and sell. So if you are an option seller also, you can go with selling. So right now default will be buy. Okay, so every setup this is what the normal setup you should do for NextLevelBot trading. So once you filled this every criteria perfectly in inputs, so now you can choose OK. Otherwise you can go for again you can save as default, and I am just clicking OK. So now every setup is done perfectly. So once you click on add more option, and now you will be getting the add alert option. So you just click on the add alert option. Okay, so in add alert option you will be having we have included with the indicator, and I have changed the expiry to the last date. So as per the premium version we are getting open-ended alert, so the expiry will not be expired. So if you are not having premium version, if you are having pro version, then you can go for any other, the final date you can choose and fix for the alert. Okay, and mostly you should use only pro version to fix the webhook URL, because we are connecting the DMAT through NextLevelBot. So NextLevelBot connectivity can be done only through webhook URL link. So this webhook URL link is most important for every traders to connect the TradingView indicators to NextLevelBot or other platforms or TradeTron or NextLevelBot. So you should have TradingView Pro version to enable this webhook URL. In webhook URL, the webhook URL is available in NextLevelBot platform. If you click on dashboard, you will be having the sequence webhook. This is what the particular webhook for your NextLevelBot ID. Once you just basically sign up with the NextLevelBot platform, you will be getting this home page. So dashboard, you will be getting the sequence webhook. So I am just now in the dashboard, and you will be getting this sequence webhook. I have copied this. So this is what I am just going to create alert. So this is what I have pasted here. So this is what the webhook for fixing the alert right now. And now you can give another syntax to take whatever the syntax we have given in the inputs for option selection and strike price choosing, everything by default it will be done in our coding itself. So the syntax, don't need to be worried about the syntax, just you need to type this syntax here: strategy.order.alert underscore message with 2 brackets, open curly braces as well as close curly braces. So once you're done with this syntax alone, then only the automation perfectly is done right now. So right now we have connected from TradingView to NextLevelBot DMAT. So once you create this alert is done. So I'm just saving it with JJP 15 minutes time frame strategy. Okay, so now I have created the alert with the 15 minutes time frame. I have opened and every criteria I have given, and the alert is fixed right now. So you can see here the alert is fixed. If you click on the alert button, you can see what are all the alerts is going on right now in alert log, as well as what is the alert you have fixed, and you can recheck by clicking on the edit button. You can recheck. Perfectly, it's done. So now the alert is fixed for our strategy. As per the strategy backtest, we are going to implement the strategy. Don't be more greedy about strategy. Whatever strategy you are implementing, at least minimum you should see per month end. You should not implement the strategy with big lot size, and you should not change to small lot in the next day. You should not do any position sizing like this. Before implementing, you should decide your position sizing and what is the max risk involved in this strategy. You should decide, then only you can implement for automation. Automation is just not like making the money through automation. You should be more consistent in implementing daily basis. You should implement the strategy daily basis continuously, then only the performance can be achieved. If you are missed any one trade also, the performance will be affected from the overall performance net profit. Okay. And as per the strategy, the list of trades is not showing perfect for take profit method, because take profit method, we are exiting two lots here and another lot in another final trade. So once we are doing take profit method with 15 minutes time frame, it is calculating three trades. For one trade, it is calculating for first target, it is calculating as in one trade, and second target it is calculating for another trade, and the final lot is trailed, so that is also it's taken for another trade. So this is why the trade counting is increasing 2701, but it is not accurate trade counting. So if you want to make calculation for trade count, it is difficult with take profit. Normal method, you can calculate the average. Approximately you can calculate the trade count by normal method, and you can do the backtest, because this total trade we need to calculate for brokerage calculation. But you should not calculate this 2701, because surely it is taking three trades. For example, the first target is met here, second target is met here, and third target is met here. But this is only one trade is taken in demat, but exit is three type of exit here for this take profit. But according to the system of strategy tester in TradingView, it is taking as three trades. So this should not be calculated for total number of trades. You can do any other method to calculate the strategy as per the entry. Okay. So now I will be opening what are all the criteria to include the demat. So this every process is done for TradingView to NextLevelBot connection. So to connect your demat, you should open the NextLevelBot your account, and you should go for API credentials. In API credentials, you will be having every other demats. Okay. So Alice Blue V2, every demats is a 5 paisa, and Angel Broking. We have connected fires 5 paisa, Alice Blue, and so to add API, you just click on add API, and right now you can choose it here. So what are all the demat you are going to connect? You need to give the API credentials from your demat account. Every demat will be having separate API credentials. So this method I will be sharing you another videos to connect how the API credentials you can gather from each and every demat. So separate demats have separate credential process to get the credential details. So right now I am just clicking on Angel Broking to add. So now you can see the app name and API key and secret key. These are all the credentials you need to get from your demat. So there's a separate process for each and every demat. I will be sharing in another videos once you get access with our indicator. This is the first process you should do. You should connect your demat with NextLevelBot. Once you connect it, you can save the NextLevelBot, whatever the demat. So for example, I'm just giving any other name. So I'm not just going to give the correct one. So I'm just, for example, I'm just doing here. So the API was created perfectly. So that once you created the NextLevelBot API, so once you connected your demat, you will be getting the demat here. So what demat credentials you will be getting here. So every day before the market start, you should click on the connect button, and you can connect your demat. So once you click on connect button, it will be directing to the login page of your demat, and every details for login same as it is the basic whatever you do for login the demat you should give here, and you should log into the demat every day morning. So before market start, you should log into the demat. Every setup for TradingView alert you can change only for weekly expiry. Until that, you should not do any changes for weekly expiry changes. Just if you want to connect your demat, you can go and log in for NextLevelBot, and after that go for API credentials, and you will be having the credentials you have added before, and connect with the demat right now. That's all. So this is what the process for connecting the demat totally, and right now perfect execution will be happening from TradingView to NextLevelBot platform, and NextLevelBot to your demat directly. So every execution automatically will be done. So once you're done this process, so you should once you are changing the alerts, you should cancel the previous alert. That is more important. You should cancel the previous alert, and after, if you want to make any changes, go to the settings and make changes, and after refix the alert again. Then only the changes will be applicable. If you are making changes and not fixing alert, means the changes will not be applicable, and you should cancel the previous alert. Okay. Okay, traders, sure. I wish every traders have understood how to do the connection with NextLevelBot, and this is how the process is happening. So from the TradingView to NextLevelBot, the signals is sent with the syntax. So syntax perfectly we have done with the coding. So the syntax is transferred to NextLevelBot, and through NextLevelBot we have connected the DMAT, and now the execution is perfectly for automation for NextLevelBot DMAT. Thank you, traders. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I wish every traders to subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. I will be meeting you in next video. Thank you, traders.